Go.
Oh, I'm getting a cold. I better hold my page.
I just peed my pants. It just like went down my leg right now.
Somebody there. My goggles are hurting me.
They just put on my ass right now.
I can't recall them.
I just peed my pants. Go bastard.
Hey, Mom, you there? Mom, are you there? That was weird, dude. Mom, yeah, you better pick up the phone. I bought a pony.
Dribble down my knee right now to pee.
Well, call me back when you get time. Bye, Mom.
Damn it.
Hello? Mom? You're there? You want to ride my big pony? Wait.
It's tumbling down the hill. I swear it's tumbling down the hill.
I know what your fat, freaking big bubble butt are my horse.
I just like.
Hey, Mom, call me when you get in a car. We're going to put it on the channel. Bye.
Oh, Alan.
Mom, is that already? Okay, you're in the car. You better go Woes. Woes is like 2 miles down the road. Take a left and then Woes. And then if they don't have Shadows there, then you go Walmart.
I just freaking peed my pants.
Okay,
No, seriously, this time I actually did.
Phone number is 78, 69, 68, 67, 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come back when they don't have it alone.
Alan, do farts have lumps?
No.
Did I just shit my pants?
Okay. Well, be good to one boy. Play with your baddies. They play with your baddies. Clean off those big nipples. Okay, bye, Mommy.
There's a freaking bitch scene right now, so.
Whoa. Somebody's talking about a big phone. What? Oh, yeah. What?
Holy shit.
Tomato? Oh, hi, Mr. Tomato. Surprise. Oh my god, I have my tomato here. Look how big my tomato is. Like, this is going to my chili tonight. Yes, Mom, I have the big tomato. Are you bringing my quilt, my saddle over? My legs are chilly tonight. Oh, bye. Oh, Mama, question. Are farts supposed to be lumpy? Then I just shit my pants. Really? Okay, you might want to bring me over some toilet paper. I think they have it at the bar, though. Tell me if they do. Bye. Bring me Hello? Oh, hi, Dad. Oh, you're taking another big whopper shit. Oh, yeah. You think you laid
Okay.
apple dumpling?
I'm not kidding this time.
Oh,
I just
seriously?
shit my pants.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No, not you. My dad. He's laid apple dumpling in his underwear. Oh, it's as big as a rabbit. Oh, last night the rabbit and dog were having sex. I have these things on 4 legs. They have big ears. I don't know what the hell they are. I'll try to sell one to you later. Maybe I can throw them in a car with a blender and get something good at them. Oh, bye, Daddy. Ring the nine! Power on!
Alan, your dog's sitting beside you.
Really? Hi, Benny.
Yeah.
My tomato, Bobby. You're my pet Bobby. You're my big tomato. Oh, I think I shut my power off. Can you tell me the